At FirstMold, this is where consistency is protected, not just verified. Quality control starts the moment materials enter the facility, ensuring requirements are met before production begins. As parts move through machining and molding, inspections continue in parallel to prevent variation from carrying forward. When designs get complex and tolerances tighten, advanced measurement systems provide the accuracy needed to make reliable decisions. Critical dimensions are confirmed using repeatable methods that stay stable across shifts. Beyond dimensions, material properties and surface conditions are checked to support long-term performance and visual requirements. Every result is logged, creating traceable records tied directly to each production line. All inspections follow defined procedures within globally recognized quality systems. Quality inspectors and engineers work side by side with production teams to resolve issues through process control, not quick fixes. This approach supports dependable quality for automotive, medical, and industrial programs. Subscribe for more real factory walkthroughs and engineering insights from FirstMold.